Hi, I'm Kim Goyette, and over the past 12 years of owning my yoga business, Meditation Mutha, I have had so many people ask me, how do I choose a yoga mat? So I thought today I would help you out so you can choose the perfect yoga mat for you. So let's get started.
Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mutha.
When choosing a yoga mat, there are a lot of things to consider. What kind of class you're taking, how tall you are, and how you feel comfortable with the grip. So we'll take a look at each aspect. The first is, what type of class are you taking? If you are taking a class that is going to be on the floor like yin or maybe some type of yoga nidra, then you might want a little bit thicker mat, and you can look up the thickness of your mat. Let's show you the difference between the two. Here you can see the differences between the thickness of two mats. If you're doing a yin or yoga nidra style where you're on the floor, you might want to choose a thicker mat for better cushion. If you're doing vinyasa, hatha flow, then you may want a thinner mat for better gripping. Choose whichever is the best for you. If you have an extra long body, you may want to consider a larger mat. This is my husband's mat compared to mine, and it is 1.5 times the size of the width and longer for his tall body. Just make sure to consider arriving to any class early so that you can create some space for yourself with this extra large mat. The other thing to consider is the surface of the mat, whether it's more bumpy for better gripping or soft for more of a cushiony feel. And last but not least, the thing to consider is the material that the mat is made of. Do you want something that's more durable, maybe with a polyurethane material, or do you want something more natural that you can feel good about the environment? These are all factors to consider when choosing a yoga mat. I hope this helps you to choose the perfect one for yourself. Good luck and namaste.